Let's discuss how to buy rental properties with an LLC or a limited liability company. Whether you're an aspiring real estate investor or an experienced one, there are many compelling reasons why you might want to use an LLC for your rental properties. Maybe you're looking to protect your personal assets, or perhaps you're dealing with a tenant who seems a little sketchy. Please hit subscribe button for more informative videos. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. What is an LLC and do you need one? Before diving into the steps, let's quickly discuss what an LLC is and whether you need one. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that separates your personal assets from your business assets. This means that if something goes wrong with your rental property, for example, if a tenant sues you for slipping and falling, the most you could lose is the property itself. Your personal assets, like your home, car, or savings, would remain protected. Key features of an LLC limited liability protection. The primary benefit of forming an LLC is that it protects your personal assets from business liabilities. For instance, if a tenant sues you or if unforeseen expenses arise, only the LLC's assets are at risk. Pass-through taxation. LLCs are considered pass-through entities for tax purposes. This means that the profits and losses from your rental property will pass through to your personal tax return, avoiding double taxation. Flexibility in ownership. LLCs are highly flexible and can be owned by a single person, multiple partners, or even other LLCs. They also allow for easy inclusion of foreign investors. When should you use an LLC for real estate? While LLCs offer significant benefits, they're not always necessary for every real estate investor. Here are a few scenarios when setting up an LLC makes the most sense. You own multiple properties. If you're building a portfolio of rental properties, an LLC can help you keep each property separate and reduce overall liability. You have significant assets to protect. If you own valuable personal assets, such as a home, investments, or savings, an LLC can shield them from potential lawsuits. You're partnering with others. Forming an LLC is especially beneficial if you're buying property with a partner or group. It formalizes ownership percentages and simplifies decision-making. You're concerned about privacy. Some states allow LLCs to be registered anonymously, meaning your personal information won't be publicly available. Can you transfer an existing property into an LLC? Yes, you can transfer an existing property into an LLC, but it's not as straightforward as it may seem. Here's what to consider. Steps to transfer ownership. Check your mortgage agreement. Many mortgages include a due-on-sale clause, which could force you to pay off the loan immediately upon transferring the property. Contact your lender. Speak to your lender to see if they'll allow the transfer. Some lenders are flexible and may modify your agreement to accommodate the LLC. File a quitclaim deed. You'll need to prepare and file a quitclaim deed to legally transfer ownership from your name to the LLC. Pay any associated taxes. Some states impose transfer taxes or fees when changing property ownership, even if you're the owner of the LLC. Step 1. Understand the business structure. When you purchase a rental property with an LLC, the company, not you personally, becomes the legal owner and landlord. This distinction is crucial for maintaining your limited liability protection. Common mistakes to avoid. Mixing personal and business finances. Using your personal bank account to cover LLC expenses can invalidate your liability protection. Always keep your finances separate. Not following corporate formalities. Even though LLCs are less formal than corporations, you still need to follow basic procedures, such as maintaining accurate records and holding annual meetings if required. Failing to use your LLC name. Always use your LLC's full legal name on leases, contracts, and other documents. This reinforces the distinction between your personal and business assets. Step 2. Set up your LLC. Creating an LLC might sound complex, but it's a relatively straightforward process. Follow these steps. Choose a name for your LLC. Pick a unique name that complies with your state's naming requirements. Most states require that the name includes LLC or limited liability company. File articles of organization. This document formally establishes your LLC and is filed with your state's Secretary of State. Designate a registered agent. A registered agent is the person or company responsible for receiving legal notices on behalf of the LLC. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required, an operating agreement outlines how your LLC will operate, including ownership percentages, decision-making processes, and dispute resolution procedures. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, through the IRS. This is necessary for opening a business bank account and filing taxes. Open a business bank account. Keep your rental property income and expenses separate by opening a dedicated business bank account for your LLC. Additional tips. Research your state's specific LLC requirements, as they can vary widely. Work with an attorney or online legal service if you're unsure about any steps. Step 3. Secure financing. Getting financing under an LLC can be challenging, but there are several options to consider. Loan types. Commercial loans. Ideal for LLCs, but they often require a larger down payment and higher interest rates. Portfolio loans. Held by private lenders. These loans offer more flexibility and don't impact your personal credit. Hard money loans. Short-term financing options for investors looking to flip properties or complete renovations quickly. Tips for success. Build a strong business credit profile by paying bills on time and managing your LLC's finances responsibly. Be prepared to provide a personal guarantee if you're a new investor without an established track record. Bonus tips for buying rental properties with an LLC. Hire a property manager. If managing tenants and maintenance feels overwhelming, consider hiring a professional property manager. Invest in landlord insurance. Beyond your LLC's protection, landlord insurance offers an extra layer of security for damages and liability. Stay compliant. Renew your LLC's registration annually and keep up with local regulations to avoid penalties. Leverage tax benefits. Take advantage of deductions for mortgage interest, property repairs, and depreciation. Join real estate groups. Networking with other investors can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Setting up an LLC for your rental properties offers significant benefits, from liability protection to tax advantages. While the process may seem daunting at first, following these steps will ensure your LLC is ready to own and manage rental properties effectively. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, an LLC can help you build a profitable and secure real estate portfolio. Let us know in the comments if you've had success with using an LLC or if you're considering starting one. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.